Well, Phattime is a website, not a website, but it's a program, but we have an online piece, online website. And the idea of the website is a social media platform that integrates cognitive learning methods. In other words, the whole point of Phattime is to build learning around each student. These kind of opportunities to work on mobile technology in the cloud, and we hope to continue the program. Okay, let me ask you guys a question. What is cloud technology? Anybody out? What's it mean?
I think cloud is an online sharing
Okay,
software.
that's right. Did you hear what he said? Did you hear what he just said? Say it again now. What is online cloud technology again said?
I said cloud is an online sharing software.
Right, so in the cloud you can share files, right? You can even work on the same application at the same time. So in other words, if you wanted to, you could build the app together as a team, right? What's your name again, my friend? Mr. Williams, right? What is cloud technology? Okay, what can I do in there? I just told you, you see what you said. What did I just say? You want me to?
Oh, you need to see your own.
Right. What is cloud technology, Darius? This particular program that we're working on now, the creating, using cloud technology for the creation of mobile apps, is something that came up about probably, I don't know, maybe 8 months ago, Dan, or something. We were together. And Dan and I, we started talking about this possibility. But for a long time, though, we had discovered the lack of diversity in corporations in terms of computer programmers. That's what really got us thinking about, well, maybe we could create a program like this, because there is a lack of diversity in corporate America, especially in technology corporations. The lack of African Americans, the lack of brown people, the lack of females. So our goal is to bring, to find those people, to find youth, to find females, and introduce them to computer science and get them ready for coding. We're not a brick and mortar. We're a grassroots organization, that rely on online technologies to get our word out. So there's no place you could come for like, oh, Phattime the Learning Network Center. Everything we do is online. And traditionally, a not-for-profit, people that fund not-for-profits are looking for, it seems to me, brick and mortar companies that have like standalone locations. See, we go out to the community centers with our programs. And so that's probably one of the stumbling blocks of our programs. We don't have a center.
What's it?
Learning Network! Yeah!
I think the kids picked this up pretty quick. It's pretty amazing. A lot of them are actually kind of going on their own and writing their own applications. So, and actually doing games is a really good way for them to kind of get a handle of it. But once they kind of get a hang of kind of the functions, the procedures that are in there, then they're asking about how to use GPS. They're asking about how to use things more animation within their applications. So I think it's pretty fun for them. First game we're going to start on is called Mole Mash. Mole Mash is a game that we're building the software to run on a mobile application, specifically an Android phone. right? And the whole idea of the game is we're going to create a screen with a little guy that moves around, and when you click on him, and he's going to move, all right? When you click on him, you'll get points, all right? This is something you guys are going to create. You guys are going to create your first game.
I think the program is important for our young folks to get involved in a program like this. It's working. As you can see, we have young folks in here. It needs to come to our neighborhoods. Our kids need to be involved in this new technology and all these things that's going on. So we're happy to have it here at the Grand Media Center.
I think it's good, and it's good for people to understand how to code and create apps.
We're excited about the next one. This was a pilot program. And so from this pilot, we've gathered a lot of data. Now we can make better assessments for the future based on the data we got this time from the pilot. So we're happy. We thought the pilot was good.
To work hard on apps and to share the app.
I did my master's thesis on women in IT, and what we're looking to do is encourage more women to get into the workforce and get into the field, as far as science and computer science as well. So with that, there's thank you. Where women are 50% of the consumers of technology, they're roughly 10 to 15% of the folks who actually design and build the technology. And if we can get more women into the field, encourage them to get into science and math, it's going to help everyone, as well as the products and the solutions that we come out with and how we can change people's lives. So there's a big effort in how we do that and what we want to do with that. But there are a number of programs specifically geared towards women in the industry.
She does well with that. She already knows what she wants. She wants to be a technology person. I think engineering, computer science, all that. So we know that she's off to a great start. Because they really want a lot of females in this industry. So she would do well. So we definitely want to push for her as well to get us some more resources. Thank you, Jimmy. This particular program has been a 3-week mobile app development program where we've used Phattime Learning Network, we've used cloud technology, as well as MIT App Inventor. These tools now that we have used have shown us that the kids can actually learn this stuff pretty fast. We had a really good percentage of kids that actually now are even ready for computer science. They're ready to be coders. So this program has helped us see that, wow, there's no need for a lack of minority computer scientists. The only lack is them having access to the tools. And so Dan Johnson and myself, we really are very happy about this first pilot. Go to the Phattime website and donate money to the site. What we need monies for to branch the program out to more centers. That's what we really need monies for, so we can hire more teachers. Dan and myself, we are teaching the program, but in order to expand it, we need to bring more teachers in. We know there's an abundance of community centers with these high-end computers in them already. So our goal is, if we have more funding, Dan and I could train the trainer, so to speak. We bring in people. Some of these kids could even wind up being some teachers. But the idea is to expand the Phattime Learning Network.